What's up, gamers? And in today's video, we're gonna be playing Minecraft Part 4. And what we're gonna be doing today is we still haven't even explored this whole place. Still, there's still lots to explore. So let's do that. Uh, the thing I'm looking for is a proper cave. Like in the last episode, the cave I found isn't really doesn't really have much ores, and it's not really that big. Well, but it's the biggest cave I've seen in this world. But we need better ones. So I don't really know. My guess is just to explore but a bunch of holes to see, and we'll start with this one. I know absolutely nothing. If there's a oh wait, what? I heard I heard a skeleton. I can't see it. Then oh, I bring some. Just some. Hello. Die. 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 All right. Skeletons are good because I actually need arrows. Okay, there's not really much stuff in this. Okay, next cave. If you guys are wondering, why don't I just go to other places far away to search for a better cave? Well, I want the cave close to my home so I can access it very fast. Okay, can't find it. Oh, there's a hole here. It's very small though. It's been so. I don't know what number of cave this is. Ooh, big. Actually leads to a very big one. There's a chance this might be good. Maybe. This might be good. What? Ooh! Yo! That's big. Dude, I need what? Oh! It almost fell down. Need a way to lead here. Okay, that's all of my dirt. Okay, I need water. Oh, oh, there's water already. It's nice. Sorry. Okay, I need to prepare. I am still not prepared. All right. All right. All right. Well, gonna need some water and also some torches. Do you have any coal? Uh, oh, no coal at all. In the cave, I'll just get some. Need some blocks too. Yeah, that's good. Some. Already get some of those. I should probably make a shield, just in case. Shield. How do I make a shield? Need iron. Need iron. Go. Oh, shield. There we go. Nice. Now I can. Ooh. What? That is sick. Oh, oops. Yo, I can block. This is so cool. Okay, store these. Guess I might die. It's gonna be not good. Alright. Should I bring arrows? No, I don't think so. Need more storage space. Oh. Wait, where's my... Oh, yeah. should I bring? Okay, water. Water acquired. Okay, I think we're ready now. And for the torches, I'm just gonna get some coal while in the cave. I already have full iron armor, so it's the cave again. I remember. Oh yeah, here. So I remember it's in the front of this one more cherry blossom mountain. All right, where is it? It's like a hole in the side of the mountain. A small one though. Dang, did I checked all of the big holes? That's not sus at all, and it led to nothing at all. But this one small hole, so much. But where is it though? Oh, there. It's very hard to find. Eh, there we go. Should probably be good. Need to stop taking fall damage so much. Taking so much fall damage in the series. Alright, I'm ready. Ooh. Can I bucket clutch though? Oh, spider. So scary. Oh, copper. I don't need that. Sobrang, just to be safe. There's a spider there. Please, water. There. No, not there. Not there. Okay, fine. That's good enough. Alright, safely check my surroundings. Ooh! Oh, skeleton, skeleton. Can't see. Oh! Haha. Okay, where's the skeleton? Oh, stuff. So many stuff. Ooh! Ah, ah. Ah, I'm stuck. Yes. Right, cleared. Sadly, I can't get the arrows. Okay, get exploring now. Any ores? So hard to see with these. Ow. Oh, Enderman there. Not to mess with those again. Alright. Iron. Very good. What more is there? There's lava there. Here. You guys don't know how much close that was. Okay, free water. Oh, yeah. What is that? Oh, it's the dripstone. There's so many mobs. That's the problem. So much mobs. It's the one and only problem in large caves. Oh, there's iron there. I'm gonna get that. We're gonna need that. Of course. There. Ooh! Okay, more. Nice. We got 11 iron now. Nice. I also need copper. I mean, coal. There's way more down there. Let's not go there yet. Wait. Let's explore these first. Oh, whoops. Where did the iron go? Did I get it? Oh, there. There we go. So hard to see here. Okay, skeleton. Stop, I hate skeletons. Ah, goodbye. Ah. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, there's a witch there. Psycho. A psychopath. It's probably not safe, but I'm gonna go down there. Probably go down there safely though. Water. Oh! Ow. Need to eat. Skeletons are so OP. Glow squids there. Oh, I gold. Ouch. Yeah. Bam. Oh. Oh, drop carrots. Yummy. Oh, there's more. I've gotten way better at combat. Ooh, I dodged that. Ah, perfect timing. Almost looked. So many of you. Stop it. Okay. Finally gold. Oh, that's all. Okay. There's coal. I need coal. I can't find any. Iron. Okay, it broke. Oh, whoops. Bats. Glow squids. Oh, baby Stompy. Stop. So many stuff. Oh my gosh. Run. Oh, dude, that's way too dangerous. Dang babies. Ah, dodged. Dodger. Dodge this. Ha. Okay. Let's ignore the fact that I almost died and keep fighting. Should I water bucket clutch? Yes, I will. Creeper. Die. What are you doing? Go. Let me mine at peace, guys. Just wanna mine. I'm a miner. Yo. Mind your own business. I'm just mining my way here. Need copper. I mean coal. Can't see anything. Coal only spawns at that is, wait. Didn't expect cave mining here. It's so dangerous. Oh, two of you. Running out of durability. Oh, coal! Yes, I've never been so happy to see coal. Ow, ow, ow. Why do I keep doing that? Finally! Ooh, there's gold there. And ow. Ay, so painful. Dude, I wanna use night vision so bad. A lot of YouTubers actually use night vision though, including Dream. Guys, should I use night vision? It's probably good for you guys too, because me watching other YouTubers kinda annoys me how dark it is. Um, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna use night vision for now, guys. Right. Type in the comments if you want night vision or not. But for now, I will. Okay, so much better. I can see everything now. Leave me alone. Oh, okay. Chill. Let me mine at peace. Oh, uh-oh. Let me alone! Let me alone! There we go. Okay, I should make a furnace. Try that. Go. Oh. Okay. It's fine. It's fine. Furnace. There we go. Uh, iron. Nice. I don't even need. Uh, now I don't even need. Oh. Save. Oh. Alright. Oh, wait. Stop. Mine you. Mine. There you go. Alright. So, okay, now I have iron. Which means I can now get a new axe. There you go. Nice. Right. Alright, let's get mining. Dude, I keep blocking by pressing F. Just switches it. Because I keep playing the strongest battlegrounds. Probably get used to it anyways. It's a lot of iron. Yo! Nice. Now we have 29 iron. So good. More enemies. Okay, nice. Feels so much better with night vision. Next video, it's your guys' choice if I'm allowed to use night vision. alone. What's that? Give me mine. Jeez. There you go. I have so much iron. Copper, we don't need it. There's so much iron. Let me get all of it. Oh, expected more. It's fine. Ow. You get to hit me. Die. Die. I think we have enough iron already. But we need more! Just in case. There we go. So much iron. Let's go. It's nice. To mine. Try to mine iron with an iron axe. Oh, okay. Oh, now I know why Minecraft is a scary game. Why did it save world? Why did it save? Dude, I hate that. It played the scary music and then it randomly saved. Excuse me. That only happens in boss fights. There's no boss fights here, right? Is there? Is there? Is there? It's probably fine. So many creepers. I need diamonds. I would love diamonds. What? Switch. Alright. Ooh! I hate the fact that spiders can jump. Jumping spiders. You're jumping spiders. Not just any normal spider. Don't see me. Dummy dumb. Oh. Oh, so much iron. Okay, for now let's target diamonds, yes, and gold. Oh, those gold there. Mind, don't mind me. Just gonna mine your gold. Hee hee. Give me them gold. Don't even know what I'm gonna use with all this gold. Just know that gold sucks. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. No, I'm out of arrows. Stop it right now. Nah. Ah, yes. What? That guy hit you, man. You guys are so annoying. Stop. Stop. Eat. Coal. Really need coal. It's also one time I almost died. But I noticed my recording was paused. I almost died to a creeper. Wow. So much more. This cave is so big. Still can't find any diamonds. Oh, there's gold. Don't need gold. I need diamonds. Fine, I'll take the iron though. Uh, hmm. Woo! Oh, there's so many of you. Why are there so many of you and gathered together? Like, big zombie, right? Oh, I can't run. Die. Die. Stop. Stop. There's so much damage. I hate it. Taste your own arrows. Yeah, now you know the pain. Eat. Let me eat, man. Come here. Yeah. More arrows. More arrows for me. Yeah. Stop it. Yes, I'm so good. TSB players play Minecraft. Combos. Oh, what's here? Ooh, redstone. Okay, I'll take it. Eat. Oh. Ooh. Let's go up. I'm tired of getting stuck in these holes. I wanna kill the Enderman. But there's so many mobs to protecting it. Surrounding it, I mean, not protecting. Oh, here. This guy. You shall die. Ah. Strat. Where are you? Shut up. Woo. What a nice strat. Oh. I forgot arrows don't work on him. He does so much damage, I hate that. Stop. Can't reach me, bozo. Come at me. Yes. No ender pearls. No. No ender pearls. So sad. And no diamonds. So sad. Well, I'll continue this exploration later. Sadly, armor yes, gold yes. Oh! Diamonds, Pain, yes. Lots of pain. Just blow up already. No gunpowder too. Alright. It's definitely nighttime. Ah, finally. Can't believe I died as I was already leaving.